Selling a digital product online is not as hard as you might think. And honestly, like I said, anybody can do this. You don't need a degree in coding. You don't need really any education at all. This is something that anybody with a laptop and an internet connection can do from anywhere in the world, which is pretty exciting. There's actually never been a better time to start a digital product business than now. It's just so many tools available to help you get started and so many customers online who are looking to make their lives easier by buying one of your products. And to be clear, this is not a get rich quick scheme. If you want that, go buy a lottery ticket or some crypto meme coin. This is going to be a business that if you put the effort in, if you listen to everything I talk about in this video and you really dedicate yourself to this, I mean, really like maybe 10 hours a week, maybe 1 hour a week, maybe 40 hours a week, depending on how much time you have. But if you actually do that, you set goals and you do that for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you can be wildly successful. So again, thinking about what kind of product do you actually want to sell? Well, we need to start off on the ground level and think about what we're good at. So I recommend making a list, making a little table where one column is going to be all the niches that you are in. These are your interests. These are your hobbies. These are things that you just spend your time doing. And the other column are things that you're good at. So maybe you're good at math. Maybe you're good at coding. Maybe you're not good at coding. Not many people are good at coding. Maybe you're really good at drawing. Maybe you're good at playing music. It could be anything that you are good at. Even if you don't like it, just things you're good at and things you like doing. And things you like doing, get creative with this. Even if you don't have a lot of hobbies, maybe it's going to be like you like houseplants. Maybe you like a certain kind of content that you watch on YouTube or on TikTok. Maybe you like cooking. Maybe you just like being organized. Like really make the list as in-depth as you can. This is going to help in the next step of this video. And this is a good opportunity here to use ChatGPT to help kind of augment this process. So you can input everything you have and say, all right, this is what I'm interested in. Can you come up with other ideas that I might be interested in? And it kind of just will suggest a bunch of things. Maybe a lot of those you're not interested in. Maybe some of them you're like, oh yeah, you know what? I used to like that, or I'm good at that. And this can be helpful because I think a lot of times the things that we are good at, or at least better than other people at, a lot of times we just kind of discount that in our minds, right? So besides maybe your college degree, everything else you might think like, yeah, but everyone kind of does that. And you really kind of discount that and don't give yourself credit. For example, like organizing your pantry, or you have better handwriting than other people, or maybe you're just actually pretty good at growing tomatoes that are bigger tomatoes and taller plants than all of your friends and neighbors. And these are smaller things that I would really recommend writing down on this list.